here. It's windy though.
It's windy as
So, dang.
damn, dude.
Blue perf. All right, we're gonna get a little undercarriage look. See.
It's only missing a couple bolts.
The bottom, it doesn't look bad either.
Dude.
The bottom doesn't even look bad either. Like it's not that. How do you feel about having a new brother in arms today?
It's a good day.
It's a huge day. No more R8.
The Lambros, yeah. Robert's taking the R8.
Yeah. A lot of weird things happening. Other than those tips.
Yeah, I don't know what's up the exhaust tips, but
They might have plastic dipped them.
something, dude.
Slowly coming down. Take it for a rip, buddy. You going? See you at the house.
All right, see ya.
Dude, I gotta do these seats. These things are trashed. Where's the fucking cup holder?
Doesn't have one?
It's $1,200. What's your first initial thoughts, buddy?
It's pretty dirty.
Yeah. She goes.
They almost dropped that.
Yeah, I almost dropped the camera. Sorry, Jake. Stock lamb, supercharged lamb. Are you looking for the windows? They're right there, dude.
Hey, are you launch controlling it or is rolling?
I'm just gonna hit it from sport mode and I can see the gas.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Dude,
It's so loud.
that thing is so loud. Holy.
75.
Oh my god.
So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right.
The new rig.
Supercar dinner, man.
Supercar dinner, man. Oh my god. Pops and bangs, dude. We got like 10 cars. More than how many? 10? 15?
Yeah, 10 to 15, dude. All sick cars. Where's Robert?
I don't know. Where's the old R8? He's probably way back there. Huge random meetup here. Went to dinner. They said go to some random parking lot, and now we're here. So's Robert. It's dark though. You probably can't see anybody. Can't see anything.
Can't see nothing.
Nothing.
You probably can't see me.
Nah.
Oh, actually, look a little dark.
That is gonna do it. Took a break last week. Kind of was busy with a bunch of so we had a bunch of stuff to do, but you got to see it in this video. It's pretty cool. New car. Smartcar's back. Got to do a little car rally around where we live in southern Utah. This is outro, dog.
Catch you on the next one.
Yeah, later.